Meet our dedicated cleaner. He starts his day by opening the Smart Waste Collection app on his phone, sets off, following the app's navigation to reach to the nearest trash bin. Once he arrives, he scans the QR code on the bin using the app. This step confirms the bin's identity and verifies it. He takes a photo of the bin, showing it filled with trash. This image is uploaded to the system as a record of its condition before cleaning. Then the cleaner gets to work. The trash is collected and cleared using the truck. He captures another photo, this time showing the cleaned bin. This too is uploaded for verification. With the task complete, he moves on to the next location, one bin at a time. Meanwhile, in the central control room, supervisors monitor the process in real time. They can see each bin's status, view the before and after images, and ensure every task is completed efficiently. SensIQ enables real-time GPS tracking for trash collection trucks, showing live location, stops, and collection progress throughout the day. Every trip is automatically logged, helping supervisors optimize routes, reduce missed pickups, and unnecessary idling. Here meet our smart AI Dashcam. High-resolution video and intelligent driver monitoring detect mobile phone usage, smoking, and drowsiness in real time. G sensors detect sudden braking and collision risks, with overspeed alerts, SOS events, and secure cloud video footage, ensuring full accountability in your safety. Cleaner streets, smarter cities, thanks to our smart bin solution. Want to know more?